Welcome back to my channel, Darice's Daily Deets, where I discuss everything from fashion, beauty, a little bit of luxury, to lifestyle. As you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be another luxury unboxing because we can't start off 2021 without at least one luxury unboxing, right? Well, actually, no, it's like my second one because of I had a Coach one. Okay, whatever. We're in the month of love, so I've been loving on myself. I am single this year for Valentine's Day, so I thought this was the perfect way to bring in Valentine's Day by gifting myself or treating myself to a purchase of something that I'm really, really excited about. This is a true unboxing, y'all. So before we get started, though, let me just say, if you have not hit the subscribe button, as you can see, I'm being a lot more consistent. Well, I'm starting to be more consistent than I have been in the last few weeks. So you definitely want to go ahead and hit that subscribe button because you don't want to miss when I'm uploading these videos. Hit that thumbs up button because for one, it's free. It only takes a second. And I hope that you are liking these videos. And if you're not, leave below in the comments what you don't like about these videos. And of course, make sure you guys are sharing these videos and, just give me feedback because I love to hear from you guys. That's going to keep me growing here on this platform. Without further ado, we're just going to go ahead and just jump right into this unboxing because I am like super excited. Okay, so like I said, I'm just batch creating today. So yes, I'm in the same outfit as before, but you gotta do what you gotta do when you have a babysitter. Okay, so this video is kind of like, I want to say it's kind of in collaboration with shanycole handbags. She first did this video. I told her that I did order the bag and that I would be also doing a video on this because I know a lot of my subscribers would be interested in this particular item. We create similar content, so I will leave her actual channel name, and I may have said it wrong, but it'll be in the description bar because I'm not gonna lie, she is the person that I first got this idea from to do this unboxing. So or to even, find this handbag. I didn't even know it existed until I seen her video, and I was so excited. So let me go ahead and just jump right into it. I didn't even know it was coming today, so that's why I'm like, perfect. Let me go ahead and just get it unboxed. It came early. When I looked at the site, it said it was coming it'll be here on the 9th, I believe, and today is only the 6th, so we love an early shipment. So here it is. It's by the brand Furla. So I'm not sure if, well, to me, I don't know if Furla is considered luxury or contemporary. I'm not 100% sure. I have heard of this brand before. This brand was really hot, I would say, maybe back like maybe 2013, 2014 when those jelly bags were really big and popping. And that's kind of the way that that's when I was introduced to the brand. A lot of people had the cute little like Speedy bag, but it was like in a jelly jelly type bag, and it came in different colors. So ever since then, I've known what the brand was. Have I ever purchased anything from this fashion house? I have not, but I'm really excited to go ahead and see what this, yeah. So I don't know. First of all, I'm gonna say that I don't like the fact that they have they just, ship the bag in this box with out any type of protection because they literally just had it sitting at my door. And I don't know, sometimes my neighbors can be kind of questionable, so we'll just leave that between you and me. So I'm just trying to get into this box. It doesn't appear to be very hard to open, but I'm excited, y'all. I actually might carry this bag today. I didn't think it was gonna be here in time. I have so many videos coming that I owe you guys because I got stuff in boxes that I have not had a chance to talk about yet. Okay, so here it is. Phew. These lights. Okay, so it's bubble wrapped. And as you can tell by the title, like I said, it is a dupe for the Dior book tote. So if you've been looking for a dupe for that bag, I got you covered. Because what are we about on this channel? We're about affordable luxury. If you're a person that's like me, that likes nice things, don't always want to spend an arm and a leg or break the bank or just, just will refuse to just spend certain amounts until you're in a certain space in your life, then this channel is for you. So here it is. It comes with the dust bag. It says Furla in Italy. And guys, I haven't even seen this bag yet, so I'm just as excited as you guys are. Here it is. And this is the small version. It's not big. Okay, so I'm already kind of upset because I don't like that there. But I'm really, really impressed. Oh my God. So yes, this is a dupe of the Dior book tote. So if you are a person that does not have thousands upon thousands of dollars to be spending on a book tote, but you want that look for less, I honestly will say, I think Furla's got you covered. I will say that upon trying to purchase this bag was sold out. So I had to get on a list and wait. So that's kind of where I'm at with it. And Shanycole, I believe her name is, she actually has the bigger version. And I don't think that they had that available. So I went ahead and I just got this one because honestly, at this, stage in my life, I'm not really going anywhere where I'm book toting things along. If you know what I mean. I work from home. If I'm out with my daughter, I would probably not use something like this to go out, with her. And the amount of time that we're actually out and about when we do go places, trust me, something this size will be sufficient. So we're going to go ahead and just open it up. First things first, though, look at this print. It feels really nice. The quality just feels super cute. I am loving this so far. It's like it's little. And I honestly thought that it would be a little more square. It's more of a rectangle shape. So I don't know. And then I don't like how it's kind of bending back there. So, yeah, it could be the way that it's packaged though too. They could have did a little better job with that in my opinion. But you're not getting Dior. You're getting Furla. So let me go ahead and just get some of these straps and stuff off. Guys. Bag. Okay, so for one, the first thing that I like about this is the fact that it does come with a strap. Another thing that I love about this is the fact that it has gold hardware with black and gray stitching. So it's the best of both worlds. You can mix your metals with this bag. This bag, also, let me go take the paper out because look, I'm jumping the gun here. I'm kind of just going off of stuff that I already knew. But let me see. So in comparison to the Dior book tote, one of the things that Shani pointed out was the fact that this does have an inside pocket. And of course, the Dior book tote doesn't. It does say Furla right here. It does have feet on the bottom, which is definitely a great feature that the Dior book tote does not have. And what else? It's supposed to have something. I thought it was supposed to have like a little emblem that kind of like came with it. On the site it had like a F. Now I don't know, maybe that's something that you have to add on, on your own. I didn't really pay attention. But I think it's just super duper cute. It's very understated. I mean, a lot of people aren't going to know about this brand. So it's not like when you're walking into a place that people are going to be like, oh, that's a Furla bag. Because, I mean, unless you're a person that just is really into this brand, I think it's pretty understated, in my opinion. It's not like screaming like logo, logo, logo. Look what I got. This is Dior. You know what I'm saying? So I really do like that feature on it. And again, it looks like these just kind of hook. It has like the D-ring, so you can honestly kind of hook any kind of strap that you want to. So I love the fact that it does have D-rings. I love how it has leather on the strap and the canvas right here, because this is a canvas, by the way. So I really do like that feature. And honestly, I mean, it's just a big open space. So you have a lot of pockets on here. You have like a pocket, like that big pocket that I was just telling you about. Oh, that wasn't a pocket, guys. That was just branded. The pockets are actually on this side. So if you can see that, hopefully you guys can. I'm putting my finger in here now. But yeah, so hopefully if you're in the market for a book tote, I mean, so far, like I said, I have some hang-ups here about kind of how this is looking at this part. I don't like that, so I may call them and see what they gonna do for me, because I don't like that. As far as price, this bag, okay, so I think this bag retails for, I want to say, a little over $300, but guys, of course you already know you can get like a coupon code. I believe that I was able to get like an extra 15% off of this bag just by signing up for emails or something like that. So it brought the bag well under $300, which I'm all here for. And like I said, it's just super, it's cute. It's cute. So it's like, you know, for the summertime, if you just want to kind of, I probably will. I mean, I know some people don't like to wear stuff like this crossbody, but I love the fact that you have the option. So if you go somewhere and say you do have like, you know, something that you don't want out in the open, you can definitely slip it in the pockets. It's not just a big open space like it looks like. And then like, you know, when I'm out with my daughter or something like that, it'll be really easy access to grab just quick things in and out. A lot of times, like I said, when I'm with her, we're not going places that I'm at for very long where I just need this huge bag and overabundance of stuff. So this right here for me will be sufficient for my lifestyle. This bag also does come in a blue color that I think is gorgeous. And I honestly may try out the blue in the bigger size just because to me that's like the closer look to the Dior book tote, and something in blue I don't see myself grabbing or reaching for as often as I would do something in black. And I would just prefer, if I was going to have something in black, it would be something that I would see myself using on a daily basis at this stage in my life. So like I said, I may just do the blue one. It's like a fun bag, and I of course would share with you if I do decide to go ahead and purchase that bag. But I love the fact that it does have a strap. The larger one does not come with the strap, so I will say that. But the price point, I think, is not that much higher. They just didn't have it. It was sold out. So I may go ahead and just get on the list for that one next. And I'll definitely just share with you. So I will definitely link this down below if it's available. I had to wait, I would say, about 2 weeks before I was able to get my hands on this. So be patient, guys. I really do feel like you do have a chance if you really do want it. You've been in the market for the book tote. You're a book tote fan just like me. I say for right now, like I say, I don't like this. I don't. So we gonna have to really see what we're gonna do about that. They may have to send me a new one or pack it. I don't know, but I'm not feeling that. Now I know I didn't spend big Dior money, but I don't think it should be bent as soon as I take it out the box. So yeah, guys, so other than that, I didn't want to ramble too much, but I definitely want to give you guys a more affordable option if you were in the market or loving the book tote. I really do like that bag. I think it's cute. I never was really 100% in the market for it because of the price point. I don't think I would ever spend that much on a bag like that, but I think that's definitely a great, and I won't even say dupe, but you know, the look for less. I definitely think that's a great option. So that brings us to the end of the video. And of course, if you like the video, make sure you just leave a comment down below. I don't know if you're interested in getting the bag, just let me know. Or if you already have another similar option to the Dior book tote that you may want to share in the comments. All is free, all is welcome. Just go ahead and just, you know, give me whatever feedback that you think would be necessary. Or give me any feedback that you know you want to give, honestly, at this point. But I really do appreciate you guys for sticking with me this long. And thank you guys so much for watching the video. I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, guys.